Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today, in this video, I will show you how to make the drive letter appear before the drive name in any Windows computer. So, without further more delay, let's begin. So, firstly, let me show you by going to this PC. So, you can see here my drive letters. So, you can see here the drive letters are just after the drive name. So, you can see here it's by default that you can see in every Windows computer. So, in this video tutorial, I will show you how you can bring this drive letter just before the drive name. So for this, what you need to do is just on your computer keyboard, just press Win+R to open the run command, and in the run command, just type this command name as regedit, and after that you can click on OK, or you can hit enter on your computer keyboard. So now you can see the registry editor, right? So here you can see here a folder name with the H key current users. Just select it, and after that just click on this left arrow, and after that just select the software, and once again click on this left arrow, and now just select this Microsoft, and once again click on this left arrow, and now just scroll down below and select this Windows, and once again click on this left arrow, and now select this current version, and once again click on this left arrow, and now just select this Explorer. So on the right side, if you don't see a file name with the show drive letters first, so in my case you can see here I don't see any show drive letters first options here, right? So if you don't see, then what you need to do is just right click and just create a dword32 value and just rename this as a show drive letters first. Just rename with this name, as you can see here, show drive letters first. So put the spelling as exactly as you are seeing on this video tutorial, and after that just hit enter. Now just double left click it, and now by default the value data will be 0, so just change it to 4 and just click on OK, right? So let us minimize this registry editor, and let me show you firstly. So still the drive letter is on the right side of the drive name, right? So now what you need to do after doing this kind of registry edit, now on your computer keyboard just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape to open the task manager, and just scroll down below and just select this Windows Explorer and click on this restart. And now let us go back to this PC, and voila, now you can see a drive letter has appeared before the drive name. So this is the tricks how you can make the drive letter appear before the drive name in any Windows computer very easily. So if you want to revert it back, just move back to the same option which I have shown you, and just double left click it and change this value data to 0 and click on OK. And now once again just press Ctrl+Shift+Escape and select this Windows Explorer, click on restart, and let us go back to this PC, and finally you can see that it has been restored like the default, that is the drive letter has appeared back on the right side of the drive name. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.